Hello. Today we are going to learn another method of finding the least common multiple. So I'm going to share my screen with you. Hopefully I can get what I need to be shared. Oh, there it is. Look at that. All right. So what we are going to do is the prime factorization method of finding the least common multiple. And we've done this before where we find the prime factorization. So like 8, we did a tree, 2 times 4, and 4 was 2 times 2. If you need to do that to find prime factorizations, you can continue to do that. Some of you maybe just already know them. You will eventually get some of these prime factorizations by heart. On the Canvas lesson for today, I did include a sheet with common prime factorizations up to 50 just for you. So what we're going to do is we are going to write the prime factorizations of each of these. We're going to find it of 8 and 12. So 8 we know is 2 times 2 times 2. 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. So here's how we're going to write that. 2 times 2 times 3. We are going to line up the factors that are common. So we had an extra 2 up here in the 8, and we had a 3 over here. We don't want to line them up. Then our least common multiple, what we're going to do is take 1 from each column. So we have a 2, a 2, a 2, and a 3. So our least common multiple is this product, 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, which is 24. Okay. Let's do another one. We're going to find the least common multiple of 12, 10, and 15. So 12, we just found up here, was 2 times 2 times 3. 10 is 2 times 5. 2 times 5. You see how I'm trying to keep them all kind of separate? And 15 is 3 times 5. 3 times 5. Now, to find our least common multiple, what we're going to do is take 1 from each column. So here's a 2, here's a 2, here's a 3, and here's a 5. And we are going to multiply all of those. So our least common multiple is 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. And that is 60. Let's do one more, and this you'll see why this one's a little bit different. The least common multiple of 5, 8, and 10. So we have to find 5, we have to find 8, and we have to find 10. Well, let's do the ones that we know. We've done 8, so that's 2 times 2 times 2. 10 we know is 2 times 5. Now 5 is a prime number. It is its own factor. So all we do is list the one factor. 5 equals 5. Then we're going to find our least common multiple, and we're going to take 1 from each column. 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. So our least common multiple, 2 times 2 times 2 times 5, which is 40. And that is how to find least common multiple using prime factorizations. Some of you will have to really force yourself to learn this. I know it's not always fun to use the prime factorizations, but do your best.